Day the earth stopped suddenly, without even warning, no mercy. Only after spring forgets to bud, short of not a minute late. So streets are racing, we used to be Allah who fallen in this way. Time goes on effortlessly, leaving no apologies. Oh yeah, so kick your rain again today. Got me soaked to cool the bone, but nothing changes every day. Running faster than the heavy clouds of rain. Never seems to be enough, I'm only human anyway. In the world away, living in the cold, the pain got me like an old and dusty broken record. Stop it, rewind please. Dancing to the beat of broken drums, no one else sees. Remember love, when winter comes again, breathe. When there seems to be nothing at the end of the suffering, both my hands and my feet refuse to move. Close your eyes for a moment, hold my hand till the morning, till edge of horizons running. Like an echo in the forest, days will come right back around, and as if nothing ever happened. Yeah, life goes on like an echo in the blue sky, just another day flying by. On my pillow, on my table. Yeah, life goes on like this again. Let me try to rap within the sound, just how I feel. The people say the seasons fade away, we never will. And if you disappear, no matter where you go, my love for you is always here. Away from day to day to say goodbye to hell. So can we leave today with all of our tomorrows? Though we pause from now, after the break of dawn, the sun will rise again somehow. When there seems to be nothing at the end of the suffering, when my mind and my feet refuse to move. Close your eyes for a moment, hold my hand till the morning. Tomorrow's blessing waiting.
Thank you.
Like an echo in the forest, days will come right back around, and as if nothing ever happened. Yeah, life goes on like an echo in the blue sky. Life will leave us wondering why. On my table. Yeah, life goes on like this again. Remember, oh no. Within the sound is how I feel. The people say the seasons fade away, we never will. And if you disappear, no matter where you go, my love for you is always here. Away from day to day to say goodbye to hell. So can we leave today with all of our tomorrows? Though we pause from now, after the break of dawn, the sun will rise again somehow. When there seems to be nothing at the end of the suffering, when my mind and my feet refuse to move. Close your eyes for a moment, hold my hand till the morning. Tomorrow's blessing waiting.
Thank you.
Like an echo in the forest, days will come right back.